In this episode, we're going to learn how to count on. We count every day. What are some things you've counted? When we count, we're trying to figure out how many things are in a group. For example, here we have 5 pencils. I added 1 pencil. Now how many do I have? Well, the last number I said was 5, so I can count on 1 to get 6. When you count on 1, you count up 1 more. You can count up 2 more if you want to. So for example, here I have 6 bears. Now I added 2 more bears. How many bears do I have? Well, I started with 6 and I counted on 2 more. 7, 8. I have 8 bears. I can even make this into an addition sentence. I had 6 bears. I added 2 more, so now I have 8 bears. You can write this as 6 plus 2 equals 8. You can count with 3 the same way. Here, I have 4 balloons. I add on 3 more. How many more do I have now? Well, I started with 4 and then I counted on 3 more. 5, 6, 7. I have 7 balloons. Again, you can even make this into an addition sentence. I have 4 balloons and I added on 3 more. So now I have 7 balloons. I can write this as 4 plus 3 equals 7. When you have 0, it's easy to add on. For example, I have 3 fish and I add on 0. Since I'm adding on 0, I'm not adding anything. So the answer is 3. Now that we've learned how to count on, let's see if you can count on with these objects. I have 4 crayons. I'm adding on 2 more. How many do I have now? You're right. I have 6 crayons. I have 5 mice, and I'm adding on 3 more. How many do I have now? That's right. I have 8 mice. I hope you like this lesson on counting on. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.